Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, we're going to have a video tutorial in which we're going to convert Microsoft PowerPoint into a video. So please don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell, and comment down below. So first, you're going to click the Microsoft PowerPoint in your computer or desktop. There you go. And we're just going to close this one and click this blank presentation, and there you go. And then we need a picture, so let's insert a picture in this slide, on this slide. Picture, there you go. Okay, let's choose a picture here. Okay, you can choose any picture you want. For me, I'll choose this picture, the picture of my mother, and insert. And then you're just going to drag this picture same size of the slide. Just drag and drag. And then let's have another slide. Insert, click insert, and then new, where's the new? There you go, new slide, and click this one, and then insert another picture. Okay, let's choose picture there, my father and my mother. Then insert. Just do same process what you did from the first picture. Drag and drag. Just drag the picture. And then have another picture. Insert. Oh, sorry, I think I forgot to have a new slide. Okay, new slide, and then insert picture. I think it's just the same process from the first picture. Insert picture and then drag, just like that, and then drag and then drag. Okay, and how about for the music or audio? Okay, let's insert and then click the audio. Your music should be MP3 or audio. I click that one. Okay, you should have a music from your computer, or you can do a voice over and then insert. Okay, you can insert in every picture. Insert music in every picture. Insert. Okay, another picture. Just remember, insert. It's only insert. Just remember, only insert when you do a Microsoft PowerPoint video. And then there you go. Okay, let's have a try. And now, how to convert this Microsoft PowerPoint into a video. So first, you're going to save as. Click the browse, and then change the file name into my video. or you can choose any file name you want. And then instead of PowerPoint presentation, click the Mpeg 4 video, and you have to save. Don't forget that you save this video in a document. Okay, save. There you go. And you see this bar below of your slide. If this one turns into black, it means that your Microsoft PowerPoint is turning into a video. So I think you have to wait about 20 minutes for it to be finished. I just don't record the process, so let's just play the result. Okay, documents, and let's find for our video. Where is that? My video. Okay, there you go, my video, and let's click this one and let's have a try. Okay, this is the video.